Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Daily use English sentences in school part 1. Learn English reading and speaking practice. Hello friends, daily use English sentences in school. When we speak English, we use some concise sentences. Very often, whether in daily life, at work, or at school, there are these basic English sentences in dialogues. Sometimes we even find ourselves trying to make complex sentences, but we can actually explain what we are trying to explain in much shorter sentences. Learn how to use English phrases in the classroom or school about the activities of students or children. These sentences can also be used by teachers to educate their students. These are part of the spoken English. Written English will be slightly different. You can also learn the English grammar of sentences to postpone your exams at school. Find English phrases for daily use in the classroom or school. Teachers can use these English sentences easily. Teachers have many different ways to tell students to do something and interact socially with their students. In addition, students need to establish their own sentences to communicate with each other and to talk with their teachers among themselves. You can change the verb, subject, and object of the sentence according to your needs. You can take notes, memorize, and repeat. Example sentences. Is everyone ready to start? This is something the teacher will say at the beginning of the lesson, especially to attract attention, often immediately after registration. Students start talking and chatting about something they did yesterday or something they thought was more interesting than school. Can anyone pay attention, please? I am starting the lesson. Make sure to note the homework of tomorrow, page number 10th, 11th and 12th of the English, Math and Entertainment book will be written in the book. Come to chapter 1 in the book. Copy all the synonym words here from the textbook into your notebooks. Those who have not completed their homework, please stand up. Let the solver of the question come and write it on the board. Monthly tests will start on the 21st of this month. The English exam was postponed to Friday. After the exam, students will have 12 days of vacation. Collect the book, which is $2 each, from the bookstore. What is the homework set for today? There is homework for all lessons. How many points did you get from the exam? Students should definitely show the school progress card to their families and families should sign. If you score less, it is better to join a hard-working student. The school serves in the evening for an extra fee. Please write down the description properly. Read twice from the computer and write once. You come here and read the second paragraph. John scored 15 out of 15 on the exam. Give him a big applause. Teach your child to study for a long time. All of you please stand up and make a move. Lesson ends. Students get off one by one in their classes. Please do not turn your head to the side during the test. The teacher asked him to call him. The school teaches painting lessons. Would you like to enroll the child? Anyone who knows the answer should raise their fingers. You are all singing with me. Billy, what time is it now? Why are you regularly late for school? My teacher, our school bus is always late. Make sure to bring your dad's phone number tomorrow. I want to talk to him. Lunchtime. Come on, everybody to the refectory. Please pack your items properly. Have you had good lessons? Let the participants stand out. Todd, where is the piece of chalk? Please clean the board. Did your friend come to school today? What year is this period? Who is your teacher? Open your books at page number 52. Come out and write it on the board. Listen to the tape, please. Get into groups of 4. Finish off this song at home. Let us sing a song. Everybody please, all together now. The whole class please. I want you all to join in. Could you try the next one? I would like you to write this down. Would you mind switching the lights on? Who would like to read? Which topic will your group report on? Do you want to answer question 3? Lunchtime. Come on, everybody to the refectory. Please pack your items properly. Have you had good lessons? Let the participants stand out. Todd, where is the piece of chalk? Please clean the board. What year is this period? Did your friend come to school today? Who is your teacher? What is the strength of the school? Isn't your friend coming today? Are the books put in the bag? What's for lunch today? English lesson is not very difficult. The floor of the school is very clean. Do air conditioners work? The last year of the school was very boring. Is the last lesson English? Our math teacher is doing a very difficult exam. Why are you late? How did you come to school on foot? There is traffic. I am late for school. Hello friends. Thanks for watching my videos. I also very thankful for subscription of my channel. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put a like and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, goodbye. See you in the next video very soon.